Hello, ma'am. Papasok. Hindi siya papasok. Hindi siya papasok.
Uy, ganda ni Katie. Hello po. Ay, madam. Kumusta? Kumusta sunod, madam? Kumusta po?
I'm here. Ano naman ako? Crowd Relations Officer.
Okay naman, he is doing well, and he is happy to know that he is continuing to receive the love and support from the Filipino communities from all over the world. And he is happy to see us, his family.
Medyo matagal po kayo ngayon.
Meron pong mga situation sa loob na it's beyond our control. Doon lang siya sa loob ng mga ano. But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside, yes.
VP, this is the first time na kompleto kayo, si Miss Hanelet, si Kitty, kayo po. How has this uplifted the spirit of your father?
Well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Patay! Nag-blush!
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Bibi, Marlica po.
Yes, mama.
Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Wow!
And then Kitty, ikaw na magsabi.
Well, yung mga
Na ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi ata ready. Questions pa.
Ano sabi ng daddy?
So ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families, and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. And ayun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Nice. May advice pa siya sa'yo?
Secret mo. May mga bilin siya.
Boyfriend.
May mga bilin siya, pero sa sunod na.
Secret mo lang.
VP, may balak po ba kayo mag-file ng request for hearing on procedural matters prior to the September 23 confirmation of hearing?
This is something
Confirmation
that
charges.
yes. Sa legal side, you need to talk to Nicholas Kaufman. So he's the only person that can talk about what they will do with regard to matters inside the ICC.
How are you, VP?
Pagyapon.
Okay lang. Not a problem. I'm just waiting for one more document, and then tapos na yung trabaho ko dito. But personally, I'm okay.
Are you going back to the Philippines after that?
Yes, opo. Oo. Yan na lang yung inaantay, yung document na yan. Tapos pwede na akong umuwi.
Vicky, something personal. Ano po yung reflections mo, ng pamilya, since this thing happened? I'm sure in one of the moments you're thinking of something you could share.
Ikaw muna. Or ako muna? Okay, ako muna. Sige. I'm happy. I think I don't have the word right now. I only have happy, but it's the incorrect word to describe it. But blessed. I'm blessed because I gained a sister with what happened to me after the attacks, the confidential funds attacks, the impeachment, and we have a relationship now. I have a relationship with Kitty, and I'm happy now. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I'm happy that I have a sister kasi meron akong pagagalitan. Growing up, wala akong ganun, but meron ako niyan ngayon. Pinagagalitan na kapatid. And then, I'm happy as well. And this really is ironic. But I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives, and we have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about the family, and this has been one of the longest meetings I have had with the former president. Growing up, he was always busy with work, he was always busy with the country, and now I have this every day with him, talking about life, talking about family, and for that I feel like I am blessed.
Bless. Yeah.
Because at this point he's already 80 and he's already retired. But going back as mayor, baka mabisi na naman siya sa kanyang trabaho. So meron kaming nabigyan kami ng ganitong time na makapag-usap as a father-daughter.
Yeah. Nice kaayo.
Yes, sad lang that it has to happen inside.
Yeah.
See?
Pero there
I
is
decided that
a good side. It's blessing.
But yes, thank you sa kanya.
Happy siya, ma'am. Everyday mo na
Yeah.
bisita.
Oh yes.
Yeah. He is really happy to see us. As I have told him, that the family has never been more united, not just with us siblings, but with everyone else in the family. So he's happy to hear that, and not just us, sa mga supporters din. Yes. I told him of that. I told him that especially on his birthday, there were people with speakers. They brought speakers and the microphone. They were singing a happy birthday song to him. He knows that, and he was very happy to hear that. And I told him of all the support everywhere in the world, from everywhere in the Philippines and everywhere in
the buffet kit, the buffet for people.
There is a small, hindi naman buffet, pero parang a small may mga sa labas ng bahay niya in Davao City, the greenhouse.
Yes.
People were able to set up tents there para for the
TV, ma'am.
Yes, I heard also. I was not able to see it, but I heard. And then may mga vitamins doon. There are snacks for people who want to stay there and watch over his house. So he is very happy and grateful to hear that.
The most creepy